Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your headphones Baseus Bowie H1 from your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your headphones. And at the third line we have a button what's called Disconnect. And you need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So, when you select to disconnect your headphones, it means that you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your headphones, it means that you want to totally remove your headphones from your phone. So if you need this way, you need to click at the Forget the Device button. But let's disconnect it, so disconnect. And as you can see, I just stopped Bluetooth connection, but still have it at the device list, so I can reconnect it in the future, but just tap on them. Of course, if these headphones turn on and do not connect it with another device. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.